From the Startup screen, click on Open and browse to your Chapter 5 folder and open up Chapter 5 Controlling Visibility. This model is loosely based on an earlier exercise. Here you can see that we've created floor plans that are linked, and you can see that we can also view the building grids from the linked file in a halftone. So the main way of controlling visibility in this view, or in one of the elevations, is to use Visibility Graphics. From the View tab, click on Visibility Graphics and we get the dialog box. Here you can see all the model categories, and for Revit MEP 2013 we've been given some additional filters. So we could uncheck all the services and only see the architectural categories. So in this view, for example, I could scroll down and turn off parking and planting. Click on OK, and that removes the trees from this view. Back in Visibility Graphics, I also get the option to control annotation categories. So again, I could go through here and select, say, levels and grids and turn them off. Mostly aimed at structure, we have analytical model categories which don't show up unless we have structure on. We also have imported categories, so whether we have point clouds imported or imports from families or any linked DWGs, they will appear in this box. We can apply filters, which we will be looking at in more detail later on, and also the Revit links. By default, the properties of any linked file is determined by the host view, but what we can do here is customize this and select either a linked view, view filters, its different phases, or what we can actually see in that view from the linked file. So let's say we only wanted to see trees. I can select all, then click on Select None, and then pick on Planting. If I click on OK, and OK again, we'll only see the trees from that linked file. Let's take a look at the south elevation of the building. And just because I can select one of the levels, right-click on it, and hide that level in the view. Here I can choose whether I want to hide the category or just that one element. We will see this in much more detail in future videos. Going back to the floor plans, if I open one of the floor plans and look in the Properties palette and scroll down, you'll see that we have a view template. View templates have been updated in Revit MEP 2013, so that if this view template is associated to the view, I can control the properties of that view from the view templates. There I have my architectural plan, and if I change the way that we look at that plan, whether it's by changing the scale or any of the other properties, it applies those changes to all the plans that have the architectural plan view template. In the dialog box, it shows us that there's 4 views have this template assigned, so they will all be updated to be at the scale 1 to 500. If I change it back, it changes it on all of them.